Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lift a Toyota Prius. First, gather your essential tools, including a sturdy floor jack, at least 2 reliable jack stands, and a set of wheel chocks. Next, ensure your Prius is parked on a completely flat and stable surface. This prevents any unexpected movement. Finally, always consult your vehicle's owner's manual to identify the exact jack points and understand specific safety precautions for your model. To lift the front, begin by placing wheel chocks firmly behind both rear wheels. This prevents any backward rolling. Next, find the front central jack point, usually a reinforced area under the engine cradle. Carefully position your floor jack there. Slowly raise the vehicle until the front tires are completely off the ground. Then, place your jack stands securely under the designated frame points, ensuring they are stable before removing the jack. Now, for the rear, move your wheel chocks to the front wheels to prevent forward movement. Locate the rear central jack point, which is typically a strong point under the rear suspension crossmember. Position your floor jack carefully and begin to raise the rear of the Prius. Lift it slowly until it reaches your desired working height. Once lifted, place your jack stands securely under the rear frame rails, ensuring they are properly seated before proceeding. Before working under your Prius, always perform a final safety check. Gently shake the vehicle to confirm it is stable on all 4 jack stands. Remember, never work under a car supported solely by a jack. When you are ready to lower it, reverse the lifting process. Remove the jack stands one by one, then slowly lower the vehicle using your floor jack. Always ensure the area is completely clear before the car touches the ground.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.